Students, today we will discuss new topic, that is taxonomical aids, or we can say tools for study of taxonomy. Okay, that is taxonomical aids. What do you mean by the term taxonomical aids? Taxonomical aids is like a collection of samples. ठीक है, samples का collection. कैसे samples? Preserve organisms. जो living organisms हैं उनको जो preserve कर दिया जाता है, जो कि help करते हैं research में for identification of various taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy we have studied. क्या होता है ये? Classification in sequence. So what do you mean by the term taxonomical aids? Collection of samples. किस चीज का samples? Preserved organism which help in extensive research for the identification of various taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, understood? Okay, in other words we can say techniques, procedures and store information that are useful in identification and classification of organism. Okay, we can write identification and classification of organism. What is store information? You write here store. I will give you notes. ठीक है. Next, what are the taxonomic aids? Okay, first we will discuss it includes botanical gardens, zoological gardens, museum, key. These all are herbarium. These all are taxonomic aids. Okay, first we will discuss botanical garden. So botanical garden, it is a place where varieties of plants are grown. For what? Very important point, that is for scientific study. One is more to educate people, but the important one is scientific study. Okay, if exam this question will ask, mention this point for scientific study. Okay, what are the examples? First, The Indian Botanical Garden, which is also known as Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Botanical Garden. Okay. In India, it is the Indian Botanical Garden, and its new name is, it is old name, okay, and new name is Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Botanical Garden, and very old name is Royal Botanical Garden. Royal Botanical Garden, okay. And where it is located? Havra, Kolkata. What's its specialty? किस चीज़ के लिए famous? It is famous for the Great Banya tree. Great. What is the scientific botanical name of Great Banya tree? It is Ficus bengalensis. It is bengalensis, and the main feature, it is 250 years. 250 it is 250 years old, okay, and they have around and it has around 250 years 208 prop root. So this is the specialty, and it is spread around 1000 or 14,500 square meter, okay. So this is about botanical. And one more specialty is that a water lily, Victoria amazonica, is also found. One more specialty is very, very large leaves, big leaves, Victoria amazonica, okay. The leaves are very big, मतलब 4 or 5 people can sit. Water lily, okay. And इसका क्या वो है, वो 2.3 meter. The size is 2.3 meter, okay. Next is zoological park. Also known as zoo. इसी क्या, it is an enclosed place. Where wild animals are kept. What are their functions? का function क्या है? Very important. Scientific study and protection of endangered species, endangered animal. And for what? Educate people. फॉर रिक्रिएशनल पर्पस, रिक्रिएशनल पर्पस।